In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Amazon Prime Invoice. Whether you're claiming expenses, reconciling a subscription charge, or just need a clean record of a recent purchase, I'll walk you through the quickest, most reliable way to get the official invoice. This method works for Prime membership charges and for any Amazon order, and we'll use a desktop browser because it's the most consistent across accounts and regions. Start by opening Amazon in your browser and signing in. Make sure you're on the correct regional site for your account and confirm you're logged into the profile that was used for the purchase. If you manage more than one account, it's worth double-checking you're in the right one before moving on, so the order appears where you expect it. Next, look to the top right area of the page for the Accounts and Lists menu. Hover your mouse over it to reveal options, then click Returns and Orders. This opens your order history, which includes Prime membership charges as well as physical and digital purchases. You'll see filters for date ranges and search if you need to narrow things down. Find the order tied to the Prime charge or the specific purchase you need. If you're not sure of the date, check your email for Amazon's confirmation message. The date there will help you spot the correct line item quickly. If you still don't see it, adjust the time range to cover the month the charge occurred, since Prime renewals and older orders can sit outside the default window. When you've located the correct order, look for the word Invoice on that order's tile or details page. Click it, and you'll usually see options like Invoice 1 or Printable Invoice. Either will contain the key details, seller information, item or membership description, totals, and tax. If you plan to send it to someone else or print it, the Printable Invoice option typically gives a cleaner, full-page layout. The invoice will open in a new tab or window. From here, download or save it as a PDF. Depending on your browser, you can click a download icon or choose Print and select Save as PDF as the destination. Pick a folder you'll remember and consider renaming the file with the order date or a short description so it's easy to find later. A few quick notes before we wrap up. Amazon often emails invoices after purchase, so check your inbox if you prefer that route. Some app versions don't show the download option, so switch to a desktop browser if you run into that. And the file you save is a standard PDF, ready to print or share immediately.